This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Kari Ross. Well-maintained first-floor corner unit centrally located near interstates, shopping, beaches and bases. Featuring open-concept floor plan, with kitchen bar, wood-burning fireplace, and covered patio off living room. Updated bathrooms west/new vanities and flooring. Condo fee includes water and trash pickup and grounds maintenance. Indian Lakes Homeowners Association includes pool, playgrounds, tennis courts, basketball courts and clubhouse. FHA and VA approved. For more information, review the details below.